Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So, if you've just picked up a hotel collection scent diffuser and want to get that signature hotel style fragrance at home, the setup process is where everything begins. These diffusers are built to deliver a consistent and refined scent experience, but they rely on proper installation to work the way they're designed. Unlike basic plug and play devices, this system needs the scent bottle positioned correctly and the settings adjusted to match your space. A lot of users rush through setup and then wonder why the scent isn't noticeable. Once everything is configured properly, though, the diffuser works smoothly in the background, filling your room with a balanced aroma. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to set up your hotel collection scent diffuser step by step, and try these. 1. Plug the diffuser into a power source and place it on a flat surface. 2. Open the unit to access the fragrance compartment. 3. Insert the scent bottle securely into the holder. 4. Close and lock the compartment properly. 5. Turn on the diffuser and adjust intensity settings. 6. Let it run and confirm the scent is spreading evenly.